Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing. If you're living in Copenhagen, Denmark, so this video is very important for you because of sometimes we are living here, but we don't know which internet provider or which internet services and affordable prices based on Copenhagen. Just recently, I changed my internet services. I enter hyper internet services. First of all, we can see how to order and what is the price. Let's on my Mac screen. So look at this is the link. I already added this link in video description. You click and come to the here. Get Denmark's 5G coverage for only 199 Danish krona for first 3 months. After that, you need to pay 279 Danish krona. This internet service is available on your address or not. You just simply put it here. Your address, pin code 324, just simply click here. I'm receiving this subscription 199 Danish krona for first 3 months. After that, I need to pay 279 Danish krona. The best options I order here. Already how to order, it's very easy. You just provide here your address detail and order this box. After ordering this box, within 1 week you receive such kind of router. The router absolutely free. If you close the internet service, so that time you need to return this router. Now we can see unboxing and how I connect this router on my home, and let's see how to access the internet. Let's check it out. So first of all, I just simply open here. Inside the box they are providing one letter as well. What exactly? Okay, they are providing welcome something. So this is the hyper SIM card also they are providing. So you need to put it this SIM card in your router. So I just simply keep it outside. How to use the all instruction they are providing here. So many magic booklet they are providing. Look at this here. This is our product. Look at this here. C-type power cable. That one is really nice. Previous one, different types of power cable they are providing. On off button is here. USB-C LAN cable you should provide here. You want reset, here reset option is available, and you need to put it here. This nano SIM card they are providing already in the socket, so you should just open the SIM card of the small one like this and put it here like this. Afterwards, you just simply put it here, the SIM card. How to fix, it's very easy. That's it, it's done. Open here, this is the antenna. After that, this is the LAN cable they are providing. You can use this LAN cable and put it on your laptop as well. They are providing here the very nice quality of charger, compact. I just simply attach on power and let's see. Okay, perfect. Look at this here, power is on, and I just simply this one. If internet connection is active, so here the all rest of light is showing here, but we can just keep it side some couple of minutes to internet is coming from this box. So I just simply wait. After spending couple of minutes, so here my internet is working very smoothly. I am receiving 5G speed. So rest of 3 lights, 1, 2 and 3 is green, and this one is a blue. It means internet is active and start. I am accessing this internet on my laptop and television as well. It's very simple to start Wi-Fi network in your entire house. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.